Hey yo, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video from me boy Hunter. This is gonna be another Doom, well, not really a glitch, but just a problem the guy has with quick saves. He cannot load a quick save if he actually opens up the quick save when he starts the game. I'm gonna untick this real quickly. First you're gonna have to do this. Go to controls, on-screen button settings, your button 1. You're gonna tap on key. You can see right here is key. So you're gonna tap on that. Make sure you tap on that and set it to F5 like that, and hit save. So your extra button 1 is going to be your quick save. I'm gonna go back, start the game. Alrighty then, I'm gonna press my 1 button, and you can see it says game saved. Alright, so now I'm gonna just exit out of the game just by typing in quit. You can see it showed you quick saves. Alright, let's go back. What do you know? It loaded a quick save. I didn't have to do anything, it just loads the game.
The UAC takes pride in its safety record. Please follow UAC procedures.
UAC, its investors, and indeed the entire human race.
Okay, another quick save. Since it says game save. This is loading Alpha Lab Sector 1. What do you know? No cuts. This is really a quick save. You're welcome. Again. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for always be in the loop when the next video comes out. Yeah, this should work for Doom 3, Quake, and all that fun stuff. Just make sure you got these 3 buttons in the top. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, 1, 3, and 2, whatever. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, make sure you got those and actually set them to a button. So without further ado, see you in the next one.